Exercise number 141. The introduction of new methods of locomotion has considerably widened the field of the newspaper and added further variety to the editor's duties. Among the most popular modes of traveling is that of motoring, the development of which has been very remarkable indeed. Newspapers have consequently enlarged the scope of their contents and given circumstantial accounts of anything and everything of importance associated with motors and motoring. There are also periodicals devoted altogether to the interests of motorists. Interested parties organize motor shows at which everything in the way of accessories from incandescent lights to the most insignificant but nevertheless necessary parts are exhibited, each and every one claiming to have certain distinctive features. The multiplicity of motors, both public and private, is a source of danger to the general public, for some motorists are unprincipled enough to be reckless in their driving. Such unlawful acts give offense and cause great alarm and inconvenience to those passing along our streets. Therefore, it is urgent that those in authority should seek an enlargement of their powers to check excessive speed whenever motors travel through the busy thoroughfares of our cities and towns, and to inflict severe punishment on all who transgress or attempts to transgress the letter of the law. Exercise over. Total words 210.